So today we're going to learn how to make flower crowns from scratch. I'm actually going to show you how to make this particular crown in the video that's about to show, but I'm going to talk to you through about what you need. I recommend wire cutters. They're very helpful. You definitely need some fake flowers. Mine started off as real, as you'll see in the video, and like this long stem, and then I took them apart. You can use fake flowers if you would like. I also made a beautiful real flower crown that I did not make a video for, but I used as an example. You need this wonderful stuff called, I have it somewhere, Pliable Twine. This stuff I got from Michael's, and it's called Coiled wire. Pliable twine, you can find it as Pliable Twine or floral twine something. The thicker the better, because it's what's going to make the base part of your flower crown. Scissors, floral tape. The smallest gauge floral wire you can find, I found 26 gauge. Whatever color you prefer. I'm partial to silver, so I use silver instead of gold or bronze. And like I said, wire cutters. If you are making it out of fake flowers, like I will in this video, you need at least 4 to 5 bunches of complementary colors of whatever you want. I got these really pretty flower vines, some blue daisies, purple and blue hydrangeas, and then you can see somewhere on the crown there's some white daisies. If you're planning to make it out of real flowers, this was a put together for me bunch that I got at the grocery store. It does look a little bit dead because I let it sit on the shelf for a little bit, but it was $5. It makes a really pretty front crown. It'll last for about a week after you buy fresh flowers, especially if you keep them in the refrigerator. The process itself isn't super time consuming. You can do it while you're watching TV. It doesn't require 100% focus. When it comes to the part where you see me affix the flowers to the wire, you can use floral wire like I did, or you can use floral tape if you have a preference. This stuff is really sticky, and I'm gonna go wash my hands like 4 times after this. I also included a link to the website that I used for making these flower crowns. First thing you do is make the crown, whatever size that you need, plus about 1 inch, so it can rest however you want it to. And then you affix greenery. I have some leaves that I was gonna add, but I prefer my flower crowns to be mostly flower. As you can see on my real one, I put leaves on the side to kind of make it a presentation. And then you affix the greenery, then you make little bunches of flowers. Here's some of my bunches of the real flowers, and then you affix those bunches to the crown however you would like. You can do like this and put 3 of the same kind of flower together. You can do it like this and put different kinds of flowers together. This is made, you need at least 8 bunches if you want a frontal flower crown. You can do it around the ends if you want to, but I don't because that's annoying. And you can put it as close or as far apart as you want. If there's greenery, baby's breath is good. Any kind of flowers that you want. Like I said, it's as you want kind of thing. So let's get started.